Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 29th of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis and it started to go up during the London session and couldn't hold and started to go down before the Fed news and pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go down and finally found a support. And after FOMC report, started to go down and found a support and bounced back strongly. So since the volatility is high during the Fed announcements, my plan of action was to take some trades before that when the volatility is good and market is trendy. So the market was sideways, and after the 1 o'clock when I came back, the market was going down and retested this level and the buyers were weak and the sellers pushed the price lower at this point. So this wave of downtrend here was taken on Nasdaq with setup C with 2 positions, and also at the same time we see the same pattern on S&P 500 and I took sell short positions here around 1 in the afternoon. So this wave of downtrend again was taken with setup C and I finished these in 10 minutes and reached the daily target and stopped trading due to the high volatility before the Fed announcements. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And you see here the performance on one of the accounts that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite because it cannot be calculated, as the win rate was 100%, all from the 4 sell short positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 354 and the largest winning trade was $500. So that was the summary of the trades that I have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small CFD prop firm account, we had 2 swing trade positions last night that I closed them with profit and break even. And today I took 7 long positions on S&P 500, Dow Jones, and as you see they are all positive, and we had 1 small losing trade. So this resulted in total profit of $45 with the profit factor of 2.42, and this shows the equity curve. These are the swing trades that were held overnight. So on 27th our balance was $40 plus, and on 28th was 37, and this is the drawdown of the open positions, and today we close it at 45. And from the 100 trades taken, we had a win rate of 80%, and this shows the equity curve with the percentage of the risk taken. And as you see, during these volatile times we were able to manage and maintain the drawdown below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% requirement by the CFD prop firm. While as you have seen, the equity curve of the second stage of the challenge is growing consistently. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.